the genetic agenda is a really scary one. So I don't know if you've ever seen it's an Australian scientist who has a Substack blog and under a pseudonym because of his job. It's Dr. I Can See It. And he actually did a blast analysis of the genetic sequences in the Moderna and BioNTech COVID vaccine. And they have a small, what they call an SMP sequence, or PAM sequence, sorry. So in these big, long genetic sequences in the two vaccines, they have the same genetic tag in the exact same location. And this is a CRISPR gene editing tag, which, how does it happen to appear in the same thing? And when I was looking at some of the other vaccines that they've been trying to roll out or repurpose, one of the ones that keeps coming up is the smallpox vaccine. And it's the one that was developed in Germany in the 1970s. So the company that has the IP to it is Bavarian Nordic, and it's known as the Ankara it's MVA, but essentially it's a smallpox virus, and they talk about it having a big genetic payload. So they're inserting other things into it to deliver genetic material into people, and that just seems to me that there's more going on in the background than we're being led to believe. And there's a real fixation with trying to gene edit people, but not in any transparent way. So the AstraZeneca COVID vaccine was another one that was actually a gene therapy originally. So there was a 18-year-old American who died in 1999 after he'd been given a gene therapy. He had a rare genetic disorder, and he was in the phase 1 safety trial. And that set back the whole gene therapy field for 20 years because they had to tighten up all the regulations. Well, it was the same chimpanzee adenovirus that was used for the gene therapy, delivered a different way. But that does seem to be what's driving a lot of this research into vaccines. It's how can we genetically manipulate the